I have an 18 karat white gold setting here. I'm putting new prongs on it. I've put it into the clamp and I've checked to make sure it's as level as possible so I can get a good idea for when I'm soldering my new prongs on that I can line them up evenly to the mounting end to each other. So I'm going to go ahead. I have 18 karat white gold solder, hard solder here, and I'm going to go ahead and put some flux on two of them and put solder there, and I'm going to rotate it here. It's really easy to move around with the clamp and do that there. Now I'm going to get a pair of tweezers and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to slow my torch down a little bit because I want to be able to not have to work so terribly fast getting away from it when the solder starts to flow. So if you notice, okay, so there's the first one right there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get another prong. I'll put some more flux on there. There we go. I'm going to spin the clamp around to get the proper position there. I just dropped it again. So a lot of times you don't have trouble with the heat on the clamp getting to be too much. Your tweezers warm up. And I'm having trouble holding it. It just wants to do nothing but move. So I'm going to change over to a pair of pliers. So that hopefully I make it stay a little better. There we go, that one is on. I'm going to take a look and see if they're pretty much matching each other, and they are. Now I'm going to spin it around. I'm going to put solder on the last two areas. And so here I go again. I'm going to get some solder. Now this is 18 karat white gold hard solder, so its temperature, you know, is pretty high in order to do this. So now I'm going to grab a hold of a prong. I'll put a little bit of flux on it. And then I'm going to come along here and I'm going to solder it in place. Just slow the torch down a little bit more. Waiting for the solder to get liquid. Bringing the piece in now. It keeps on wanting to go off the side on me. There we go. So now we have the last prong to put on. I had to go hunting for it. It was down in the pan. But I'm going to put the last prong in place. I'm just trying to get the position to where I'm happy in holding everything. So here we go. Notice where my thumb is right now. It is on the clamp. Okay, let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to bring it down and take a look at it this way. This prong is actually leaning out a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it in. So it's pretty easy to make adjustments. got a good level here. So that's it right there.